Basketball players and their responsibility. Point guard. Runs offense. Distributes the ball. Directs traffic. Controls the tempo. Can shoot when needed. Best dribbler on the team. Shooting guard. Shoots from long range. Slashes to the basket. Makes good cuts. Defends the perimeter. Usually scores the most. Catch and shoot specialist. Small forward. Most balanced role. Scores and defends well. Good rebounder. Can adapt to situations. Good from mid-range. Quick thinker. Power forward. Drives the ball. Athletic. Set good screens. Helps teammates get free. Physical player. Crash the boards. Center. Controls the paint. Protects the rim. Usually the tallest player. Sets hard screens. Great at boxing out. Strongest rebounder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.